Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to solve could not load high-resolution images on Facebook Messenger. If you are facing the issue of could not load high-resolution images on Facebook Messenger, here is how you can solve it step by step. First, make sure that your mobile phone is connected to a stable and stronger internet network. To do this, swipe down to open the control center of your phone and reconnect your Wi-Fi to the strongest available network. If you are using mobile data, try turning it off and back on, or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue resolves. Next, locate the Messenger app on your phone. Press and hold the app icon for a few seconds, and then tap on the small info icon. This will take you to the app info page. Here, tap on storage and cache, and then clear the cache. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that may be causing the loading issue. Another important step is to make sure your Messenger app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, type Messenger in the search bar, and check if there is an update button available. If yes, tap on Update to install the latest version, as updates often fix bugs and performance issues. If the problem continues, try restarting your phone. A quick restart often refreshes the system and fixes minor glitches. As a last option, you can uninstall and reinstall the Messenger app. To do this, press and hold the app icon, tap on the bin or uninstall icon, and confirm. Then, go back to your App Store, download Messenger again, and log back into your account. Following these steps should fix the error and allow you to view high-resolution images on Facebook Messenger without any issues. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.